What's going on, guys? Let me get everybody tagged here. Everybody doing all right this evening? Get everybody tagged here and get everybody on, and we'll get this thing going. Some of you may be already on. I'm trying to tag everybody real quick, and we'll get this ball rolling here. For some reason, it's not letting me tag everybody when I first set it up. It's not letting you go straight to the video, so I think I got everybody now. That should be it. What's going on, Terry? Give everybody just a second to get on, make sure everybody's on, and I'll get this thing rolling here. Everybody doing good tonight? Not much at all. Not much at all, Terry. Just got off work a little while ago, just winding down a little bit. Get these two boxes broken, and I'm going to take it easy the rest of the night. All right. Let's go ahead and get started. We got this is box number 11 first. So we got Paul, Terry, Tony, Dan, Wendy, Joey, Josh, Tommy, and that's pretty much it in there. So this is box number 11. So I got the list out here. We'll get this thing broke, and then we'll do box 12. Good luck, guys. Last night was loaded with color, so let's see if we can't pull some more fire and color tonight. I'd like to see some nice autos out of these last two boxes. All right, again, good luck, guys. Let's see what we got here. All right. We got a Hirano. We got a Trout SP. Trout SP. That's going to Joey. Joey had the Angels. All right, we got a Gallagher for the Royals. 197 and 199. 197 and 199. Nice. Who had the Royals? Let's see. Royals is going to Paul. And we got an Ozuna. I like these cards. I know they're not licensed, but they're pretty cool looking. All right, we got a Braun. We got an Ohtani SP. That'll be going to Joey as well. All right, and we got a Cardinal going to Tony Rice, 258, 258 to 299. 258 to 299. Ain't want to focus in there. Going to Tony. This may be another colorful box here. Starting out like it. Raise this up just a hair. All right, we got a Seager. All right, we got a Gallagher. We got a Mazzara. And we got a Rocky. Matt Mahan, 65 on 149. 65 on 149, going to the Rockies. Who had the Rockies? Rockies. Going to Mike Bruce. Mike back in the hospital again, so wish him well. And we got an SP for the Rangers, Beltre. The Rangers going to Paul. No, Paul, we haven't hit any autos yet, bud. Not yet. All right, we got a Voto. We got a Mal Marvels, Kluber. And we got a Padre. Who had the Padres? Padres going to Mike. 139 to 299. 139 to 299. Margit. It looks like we're going to have a colored in every pack, so that's good. Now, hopefully we get a couple of colored autos out of it. We got a Jansen. All right, we got a Bautista. We got a Guerrero. And we got a numbered Rocky Arenado, 294, 299, 294, 299. Again, the Rockies was Mike. All right, and then we got a Stanton for the Yankees. Yankees is going to Paul. Still looking for that first auto. All right, we got a Rizzo. We got a Carrera, number 51 of 199. 51 of 199. Nice. Let's go into the Astros. See who had the Astros. Astros is going to Tony Rice. All right. We got a McCullers. And we got a Cozart. All right. We got a Betts. He's around here. We got a Herrera. And we got a National going to Wendy. Number 90 of 299. 90 of 299. Trey Turner. And we got a Ramirez. All right. We got a Hayes. We got a Granite. And we got a Bohr. 136 of 199. 136 of 199. Bohr. Miami Marlins. Who had the Marlins? Marlins was Terry. And we got a Darvish. All right, we got a Cabrera. We got a Albies SP. Who had the Braves here? Braves was Tony Rice. We got a Olsen for the A's. 230 of 299. 230 of 299. A's was Josh. And we got a Donaldson. All right. Still looking for that auto. First auto. All right. We got a Hosmer. We got a Bumgarner. And we got a Diamondback going to Tommy, Zach Greinke. 86 of 149. 86 of 149. Don't want to focus in on the number again. Sorry, guys. All right, we got a Stroman. All right, we got a Wade. We got a Hoskins SP on the Phillies. Phillies going to Paul. Paul Jordan. All right, we got a Dozier. 97 and 99. 97 and 99. Going to the Twins. That's going to Wendy. And we got a Blackman. Right. We got a McMahon. We got a Cano. And we got a Ramirez. 1 of 50. 1 of 50. Ramirez going to the Indians. Who had the Indians here? Indians going to Terry Brown. 1 of 50. All right, and we got a Betts. All right, guys, still looking for an auto. Haven't got one yet. All right, we got a Garver. We got a Rosario for the Mets. It's a SP. And the Mets was Mike. One of Mike Bruce. All right, and we got a Turner for the Dodgers. 98 and 99. 98 and 99. There we go. Dodgers was Terry Brown. hoping we hit some color autos with all this color. Montgomery. Mike, you got the Mets, Rockies. Mets, Rockies. That was it in this one. Mets and Rockies. All right, we got a Judge. We got a Stanton. We got a Giant, Evan Longoria, going to Paul. 105 of 149. 105 of 149. Going to Paul. Jordanson. All right, and we got a Carpenter. All right, let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left, and still looking for our 2 autos. All right, we got a Herrera. We got a Nick Williams. We got a Cabrera for Detroit. Who had the Tigers? Tigers was Joey Cabrera. 89 of 149. 89 of 149. No, why it's not wanting to focus on the numbers tonight. 89 of 149. Apologize about that, guys. All right, and we got a Conforto. All right, 5 left. Box number 11. And we'll break box 12. All right, we got a Robles. And you got a first auto. We got a Mike Trout, 15 of 299. 15 of 299. Trout. Angels going to Joey. All right, our first auto going to the Mets. Darryl Strawberry. That's going to Mike. Nice. Darryl Strawberry. Optic autographs. All right, we got a Kendricks. And we got another auto in here. All right, we got a Frazier. We have got a Judge, Aaron Judge, 19 and 99, 19 and 99. All right, auto going to, let's see who's got them here. Paul Jordanson. Nicky Delmonico, gold. I think that's gold, yep. 32 of 75, 32 of 75. Come on, number. All right, and we got a hat. All right, we got a McCutcheon. We got a Joey Gallo. We got a Rockies Blackman, 15 of 299, 15 of 299. That's going to Mike. All right, and we got a McCutcheon, SP, McCutch. And 2 packs left in this box. We'll recap this box and I'll go to the box 12. All right, we got a Verdugo. We got a Looking Back, Lindor and Vizquel. We got a Mariner. Who had the Mariners here? That was Wendy. Robinson Cano. 56 of 199. 56 of 199. And we got a Chipper Jones. All right, last pack of box 11 here. All right, we got a Flaherty. We got an Out of This World JD Martinez. And we got, for the Reds, going to Terry Brown, Joe Morgan. Number 120 and 199. 120 and 199. Just ain't going to cooperate with the focusing in. Sorry, you guys hadn't been on before. I usually use my phone, but got this new camera and been using it the last 3 breaks. I gotta get on there and play with it some and try to figure out how to make it focus here and judge. Sometimes it focuses on its own, sometimes it doesn't. All right, we're going to do a real quick recap of box number 11 real quick, and then we'll hit box 12. We got a Morgan. We got a Cano. We got a Kutch. We got a Blackman. We got a Judge. Got a Trout. We got a Cabrera. We got a Longoria. We got a Turner. We got a Rosario. Got a Ramirez. Dozier. Got a Hoskins. RHYS Lightning. Got a Greinke. Got a Olson. Got a Albies. Got a Bohr. Got a Turner. We got a Carrera. We got a Stanton. We got a Arenado. We got a Margit. Got a Beltre. Got a McMahon. Got a Flaherty. Got an Ohtani. We got a Gallagher. And we got a Trout. Autos, we got the Darryl Strawberry. Nice. And we got the Nicky Delmonico White Sox. 32/75. All right, let me put the other box up here. All right, box 12. All right, let me open up another thing of top loaders real quick. Just throw those all those colors in there, man. You go through some top loaders, but I like it. So we'll do them all that way. All right, good luck, everybody. This is box 12 again. Final box of the case. All right, we got a Freeman. We got an Albies. We got a Turner. And we got a Seager. And looks like this one's not going to be loaded with color. Those last two boxes had a color in every pack. All right, we got a Trout. We got a Hoskins. Got a Darvish. And we got a Carpenter. All right, got a Hoskins, got a Bellinger, got a Carrera, and we got a Verlander. All right. A little boring when you ain't pulling color out of every pack. Bell, Encarnacion, Montgomery, and Bregman. All right. We got an Arenado. We got a Tucker. We got a Kluber. And we got a Gallo. All right. We got a Bueller. Let's see if we got our first auto here. Nope. Thought we did. All right. We got a Scherzer. We got a the Mick SP. Seen that card turn a different way. I thought it was a auto. Mark Ryans gets that one. All right. We got a Strasburg. All right, we got a Moncada, and we got a numbered Ozzie Albies going to the Braves. Who was it had the Braves in this one? Wendy. 5 of 50. 5 of 50. Come on, focus in. There we go. 5 of 50. Not bad. All right, we got a Hap, and we got a Machado. All right, we got a Fowler. We got a SP of Calhoun for the Rangers. Who had the Rangers? Rangers was Paul Philhauer. All right, we got a Segura. And we got a Hernandez. All right, looks like we got a auto in here. All right, we got an Altuve. We got a Devers SP. Raffy Big Stick. Going to Mark Ryans. All right. First auto. Let's see who's got these guys. All right, going to Mark Ryan's. Tampa Bay. Willie Adams. Not numbered. Going to Mark. Say that one more time. Oh. And we got a Trout. All right, we got a Bader. We got a Bueller SP. We got Dodgers. Dodgers Paul Philhauer. And we got a Sano. And we got a Puckett. Still waiting on one more auto. All right, we got a Dozier. We got a Williams SP. The Phillies. Who had the Phillies? Phillies was Terry Brown. And we got a Tony Gwynn. And we got a George Brett. I think we got another auto in here. Yep. We got a Vieira. We got a Aaron Judge long ball. And the auto is going to the Indians. Paul Jordanson. Francisco Maja. Not numbered. Nice. All right, we got an Ozuna. We got a Cano. Got a Cabrera. Got a Chipper Jones. And we got a DeGrom. We got a O'Neal. We got a Gahara. We got a Braun. And we got a Sandberg. All right, we got an Olsen. We got a Yelich. Got a Springer. And we got a Goldschmidt. All right, we got an Andujar. Got a Martinez. Got a Molina. And we got a Blackman. All right, down to the last 4 packs. Got a Blackman. All right, we got an Ohtani SP going to the Angels. That's going to Paul Jordanson. SP. And we got a Miggy SP going to Tigers. That's going to Terry Brown. And we got an Adam Jones. All right, we got a Devers. We got a Voto 99 of 149 All-Star. Nice, going to Reds. Reds was Paul Jordanson. 99 of 149. 99 of 149. And we got a Bellinger SP going to Dodgers. That's going to Paul Philhauer. And we got a Bryce Harper. All right, 2 packs left. We got a Guzman. We got a Lindor for the Indians. Who had the Indians? Paul Jordanson. 100 of 299. 100 of 299. All right, we got a Hendricks. And we got a Miller. All right, we got a Kluber. We got an Altuve, Craig Biggio. We got a Bellinger. And we got a Larkin. All right, that's the last pack. Let's run through the recap real quick. Again, this was box 12. Got the Lindor. Got a Bellinger. We got a Voto. We got a Miggy. Got an Ohtani. Got a Nicky Dubs. Got a Bueller. We got a Raffy Big Stick. We got a Calhoun. We got a Albies. And we got a DeMick. Autos. We got a Willie Adams, Tampa Bay. And we got a Francisco Maja for the Indians. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys breaking with me. I got the box of Clearly Authentic up, the case of Clearly Authentic up. Pick your player. We need to get it going. If it's not going in the next 2 days, next day or two, I'm gonna redo it and do it kind of like I did this one. Don't want to do that because a bunch of you already picked players, but let's get that thing going and get it finished out. And also got my pre-sale of Bowman Chrome up. Got 3 cases of Bowman Chrome pre-sale up if you guys want to check that out. This breaking, it'll break on September the 26th on the release date. The release date got pushed back, so we'll break it on that day if it's full. Payments will be due 2 days before the cases will be be due on the 24th. So, all right, guys. Again, appreciate it, guys. You guys have a good night. And again, thank you all for breaking with me. I appreciate it.